Hello and welcome to another update on SUI. So the SUI chart hasn't really changed on the daily time frame. The situation remains unchanged. For clarity, I would like to actually add the Fibonacci support area to the chart here for yellow wave 2 as well. While I am tracking it on the smaller time frames, it kind of makes sense to add it here as well. So we have an area to watch here between $2.09 and $3.04. That's the standard target or support area for wave 2. So technically, the market has space, has room all the way down to $2.09 if needed in this wave 2 correction. As you know from previous updates, the orange scenario is also possible. That would be a scenario in which we are going to go up directly, but in this case, circle wave 3 is not finished yet, could still push a little bit higher. So circle wave 3, then we would get a wave 4 pullback and a wave 5 to the upside to get all 5 waves done in a direct fashion. But as I said, you know, the wave 2 pullback as such looks best and would actually be more bullish, provided obviously that pullback is really corrective in nature and holds above the $2.09 level. So what we want to see ideally is a corrective pullback, like an ABC structure in wave 2. It could of course turn into a larger ABC pattern, not so important as long as we're holding the $2.09 level, because a corrective pullback after a 5-wave advance can set the, well, it can be the jump-off point. It can create a jump-off point for a 3rd wave rally to the upside, right? 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and then the next move up would be a 3rd wave, then a 4th and a 5th. So that is what we would track here going forward, obviously on this chart. And it would be that 5-wave move up that overall should take us to $7.35 plus, you know, but the condition is we're holding the $2.09 level. So support should be clear. I mean, the price is currently reacting to the resistance area we talked about here. I mean, not a massive surprise, even though there was, of course, and there still is the chance for a direct breakout. To be honest, it would probably follow the orange count if it breaks out from here more directly. I'd really like to see the price reach that $3.04 level first. Yeah, I'd really like it to reach that $3.04 level first, to at least consider that, you know, any low could be a wave 2, because if we break out from here, the pullback isn't really deep enough for the wave 2. So as you can see, this would be less bullish, because all we need in the orange count is to finish the 3rd, do the 4th and the 5th. Whereas in the yellow count, we get a full 3rd wave in a larger degree 4 and 5, and that should send us a bit higher. But again, micro patterns still very much shifting. To be honest, yeah, the market, as you can see here, is likely in a decline at the moment. We even broke below previous swing lows, below our signal line here, so I can remove that now. I've left the orange scenario on the chart, but obviously at the moment yellow seems to be leading. Yellow seems to be in control. Okay, and in the yellow scenario, the market is just going down a little lower. I have to always say it. I mean, I'm tracking here an initial ABC structure to the downside. Yeah? A wave down, B wave up, and the standard C wave target area is kind of here. So I've added additional micro support levels today to the chart here, $3.13, $3.27, $3.36. Standard support. It doesn't mean the wave 2 has to finish here. We need an impulsive upside reaction. So what could easily be the case is that this ABC structure to the downside will morph into a wider ABC. Okay, so of course it's possible that it extends, especially because the pullback is quite shallow. So we have to pay close attention to those pivots and any reactions. So now we have an ABC structure to the downside. The C wave doesn't look finished yet. Might need a few downside squiggles. And when we get nice 5 waves to the downside, as shown here, then this could support the idea that at least a local low is forming. And then we need to build the thesis that we're turning around. We would then pay attention to 5-wave movements to the upside and much more. Yeah. For now, I'm looking at this as a 3-wave move down at the moment, even though it's not super clear, but it looks best, in my opinion, as a 3-wave move down. and it might need another 4-5 pattern. It's not, in my opinion, deep enough for a wave 2. Could be a wave 4 though. Could be a wave 4. So I keep you updated about that. For now, we are still caught in a correction though. Once I see a first 5-wave advance, I will let you know. That's the update on SUI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.